Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the new topic that is called coding decoding. Now what exactly we know about coding decoding, okay? So we have to first of all focus on the basic term, or it is the topic which have two words, that is one is coding and another one is decoding. So we will focus on this particular thing. So let's see about it, what exactly it has to say, that what exactly lies in between the coding and decoding. So if we go over here, you can see that whenever we are speaking about our coding or decoding, so what we exactly know about it, okay, coding and decoding. So in this segment of a common reasoning section, secret message or word have to be decoded. What we have to do, we have to either go with a secret message or a word have to be decoded. Means you will have given with a word or a statement or a sentence, and you have to decode it and to know what exactly said over there. Means what exactly happens, we have to actually focus on what they have to tell about that in this particular topic. Means if there is some message or a word given and that is not in the readable format, then you have to actually convert it into readable format. Okay, so means if there is a word that is given in the coded format, first of all what you have to do, we have to go and decode it, what exactly it means over there. Okay, so they are coded as per definite pattern or rule. Means what will happen? The given thing will be having some rules or regulations. So what first of all we have to do? We have to first of all focus on what pattern they are actually trying to solve over there. Okay. So if we get this pattern or rule, then easily we will be able to understand what exactly this coding decoding means. Means we have to particularly focus on the pattern or the rule that actually is followed by them. Okay, so means we are actually going to go and see what exactly pattern they have applied for the coding, or what exactly rule they have applied over there. Once you get this rule or pattern, it will be then a cakewalk for you to solve the other codes mentioned over there. So first of all, we have to definitely focus on this pattern and rule. Okay, next they are saying which should be identified first. Means up, you have to first of all find out what pattern exactly they are going to look over there. Then the same is applied to decode another coded word. So we have to apply the same logic. Okay, we have to apply the same logic to decode another coded word. So remaining the coded words are there, we have to apply the same logic over there, that what they are exactly going to apply over there, or what exactly they are going to solve over there. So we are going to see and focus on each and every element. After that, means once you get the pattern, then it will be easy for you to analyze all the other given elements in that particular statement, word or sentence. Okay, under this segment, you comes across two types of coding, letters and numbers. So whenever you go with the coding and decoding, you get exactly two things. That is, one is the letter coding, okay, in which you have to code the letters, and another one is a number coding, in which you have to code the numbers over. Okay, whichever the number is mentioned to you, you have to code and go with them. Based on these two types of coding decoding, various types of problems comes on your way. So based on this particular two thing, that is letter and numbers, various things comes, means a mixture or a combination or different elements they going or using over there. So that may happen. Okay, so that comes one by one, one by one, but you have to actually focus on that while solving it. So you will go with a coding decoding particular format over there. Okay, next what we will see, that will be what will should be your approach while solving these kind of questions. Okay, so if I have to solve these kind of questions, so what should be my particular approach while solving this question? So what should be the key point on which I should focus each and every time? Okay, the key point that actually I require to focus while solving the coding decoding section. So first of all, what they are saying, observe the alphabets or numbers given in the Kenley code. Okay, I have coded Kenley. Means whatever the in question you have given with the word or a code word or the number, that whatever is given, you have to first of all focus on that, what exactly it is trying to say, what exactly we have to observe over there, that alphabets are in what order, either it is ascending or descending, from left to right or right to left. Numbers, what type of numbers has been used, whether it is alternate or singular number, okay, or two digit number or three digit number, whether the number of are multiples of something or not. So all these things, small facts, we have to first of all focus, and then we have to apply the complete logic all over it. Okay, so we will have our complete logic all over it, so that will help us a lot while solving this kind of questions. So find the sequence it follows. Okay, so what we have to do, second one we have to find out the sequence means whether it is ascending order or descending order, whether the numbers are in increasing pattern or in decreasing pattern, whether the alphabet is a b c d e f g or z y x and so on. So we have to focus what exactly sequence they are using. Okay, so find the sequence it follows, and whether it is ascending or descending, that we have to first of all mention or find out, will be our finding in the first stance. Okay, if we get this, then we will come to the next, that is detect the rule in which the alphabet, numbers or words follows. So we have to detect that what rule they are going to apply over there. Okay, what rule they are going to apply means whether the rule that is given is +1 or -1 or +2 or -2, alternate, anything changes there, even, odd or prime numbers, whatever will be there. So all these rule we have to detect over there. Remember that for every coding decoding question the rule will be different, so we have to focus on a given particular rule. We can't say that this should be the only particular rule, but with each and every question the rules get changed, so we have to actually focus over there. So what will there, so for alphabet there might be a different rule, for numbers there might be a different rule, for particular words there might be a different rule, so for each thing the rule may get changed. Okay, and next, fill the appropriate, so last will be the fill the appropriate letter, number or word given in the blank given space. Okay, so whichever the blank space will be given to you, so you have to fill up over there, or find out the wrong one over there, so you have to fill the appropriate things so that it will be easy for you to understand what they are actually trying to say. So this should be the proper approach while solving the coding decoding section, because it is the only important section in which you have to focus in each and every perspective. As the perspective will be greater or bigger, it will be easy for you to analyze each and every given question. So analyze the question and answer it accordingly. Okay, let's see what next it says. It says basic which we need to learn before solving this topic. Okay, so what basic things we required while solving this topic? So the basic thing which we required before solving this is the letter position. Yes, many of you might be knowing that we from our first standard, we are, or from the kindergarten school, we are actually learning alphabetical series, means that is a b c d e, then numbers 1 2 3 4. But what we have to first of all focus on the letter position they are mentioning. So letter positions means what, if I am writing a b c d e, so a has a value as 1, b as 2, c as 3, d as 4, and so on up to y as 25 and z as 26. Yes, many of you might be knowing this, that this is the letter positions. But same can be applied in the reverse one too. Okay, same can be applied in the reverse one too. So what in reverse one too, we can say that opposite position of a letter, that is a is equal to 26, b is equal to 25 and z is equal to 1. So that will be your reverse order that we are going to actually see over there. Means if I have a alphabet a over there, so it will have 1 as its forward position, but 26 as its reverse position. Okay, opposite of each letter, that is a is opposite to the z, b is opposite to the y, and c is opposite to the x, and so on. We have to actually apply and think over there that what should be there in each and every particular order while solving it. Okay, next we will see that what exactly the alphabetical series we actually follow or go with that. So here I have shown you a table in which we know what alphabet actually they go over there. So here we can definitely see that We have alphabet A, B, C, D up to M, and then N, O, P, Q, R, S, T up to Z. So in this particular way, we have a forward order, that is A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, D as 4, and so on. Okay, so here again we can again say that this is again a forward order, N as 14, O as 15, P as 16 up to Z as 26. But there is one another bet over there. Here we are actually focusing with the reverse order 2, means Z as 1, Y as 2, X as 3, W as 4, and so on. Similarly, even we can say that there is again an reverse order, that is M as 14, L as 15, A as 26, and so on. So you have to actually remember this. So I request most of you to stop over here, just write it down all these complete table so that it will be always handy to you while solving the questions. So I request you to take the screenshot or either note out note down it in your books so that it will be easy task for you while solving these kind of questions. So many a times actually you required all these things while solving it. So whether in if you are in exam also, you will definitely need these kind of things to be solved over there. Okay, so from left to right and from right to left, both the things we required for solving it. Now moving further, let's go with the first one. So first one is that letter coding. So what is exactly the letter coding? In this type, the real alphabets in the word are replaced by the certain other alphabets. Okay, so letter alphabet means what? We have letters such as A, B, C, D, E. So what they are actually saying, in this type, the real alphabet, so whatever the alphabets that will be given to you, the real alphabets in a in a word, okay, in a particular word, are replaced. What they will do? They will be replaced by certain other alphabets. Okay, they will be replaced by certain other alphabets. Okay, so they will apply their certain alphabets over there according to the specific rule. So what the rule will be there, we don't know, but that rule will be applied over there. So we have to actually focus on the given particular rule to form its code. So what will happen with that, we can exactly form a code over there. The candidate is required to detect the common rule. Okay, so we first of all required, we are required to detect the common rule mentioned over there. Okay, common rule, and answer the questions accordingly. So whichever the question that is given over there, you have to answer them accordingly. Means what? According to the rule mentioned over there. Okay, so we have to focus here that what exactly rule they apply over there. So we have to apply the same rule over there and then we have to solve it accordingly. Okay, so next, what, let's see the particular question that we actually want to solve. So how the question comes and how we solve it, we will just have a focus on that particular thing. So in this one, you can easily see that run is coded as, okay, run is the word that is coded as SVO. So we can say that run is a word and that has been coded with SVO. Similarly, they ask what should be the code letter of lay. If I have the word lay, okay, or if I have the word given as lay, so what will be that coded? So what should be that code? So now let's try to find out. So if I go with that, if I have a word run, it has been coded as SVO. So I know that run will be written as SVO. So they have asked you how the lay will be written then. How the lay will be written. So I will focus on this particular thing. So run has been coded as SVO. So I will write SVO below it. Okay. So just to understand it. So if I focus over there, R has been converted to S. R has been converted to S. Means what they did? They did plus one alphabet. Means alphabet, they have replaced the alphabet to the next alphabet. U has been replaced with V, again plus one, and N has replaced with O, that is means again plus one. So I know here, so what is the rule? The rule over here is you have to apply the plus one logic for each and every alphabet. Now apply the same rule to the next word. What word? That again the logic of the plus one. So how it will be? L plus one. Okay, L, it will be M. A plus one, it will be B, and Y plus one, that will be your Z. So your final answer will be, okay, your final answer will be MBZ. So that should be your answer while solving it. Hope so you have understand how to find out the rule or how to detect the rule, and according to that how you have to solve the given particular question. Okay, moving further, let's see one more question. In a certain code, Delhi is written as, in a certain code, Delhi is written as CDKGH. Then how is suspect written in the code? So now we will focus on the given word, that is Delhi. Okay, here the word that is given to us is Delhi. And what they are saying, Delhi is written as CDKGH. So how will be the suspect written over there? So we will go with the word suspect. Okay, now we will go with the word suspect. So if we focus on a Delhi, what we are going to get it? We are going to get it. It is a C, D, K, G, and H. So if we focus on it, we see D has been converted into C, means that is -1. E as D means again -1. L as K means again -1. G, okay, is drawn from H. So H has been converted to G, that is again -1. And I has been converted to H, that means again -1. So here each alphabet given in the word has been coded with -1. So same logic we have to apply over there. So here again we have find the rule of -1. Apply the same rule over here, okay, of -1, and you will get the answer for this. So S -1, what it will be? It will be the R. Then U -1, T. S -1, again R. P -1, O. E -1, it will be D. C -1, it will be, and T -1, it will be S. So what should be the correct answer over here? So we can say the correct answer will be over here is R T R O D B S. So that should be your particular answer over there. Okay, so that should be a particular answer that we are going to follow over there. Let's move with the next one now. In a certain code, courage is written as UOCREGA. Then how journal will be written in the given particular code? So now we have to focus over here that courage is the word given to us. Okay, so courage is the word given to us, and that has been coded as UOCREGA. Okay, so that is given to us. So then they have asked about the word journal. Okay, so JURNAL, journal. So how it will be written over there? So if we go with that, you will get it. It is UOCREGA. So it has been coded in such a way. So if we focus now over here, you will get it. Okay, the C has been coded over here, and U has been coded over here. Similarly, A has been transferred over here, and E has been transferred over here, and remaining alphabets, that O, R, and G, are at the same place. So same logic we have to apply over here. So what we will do, we will keep the same logic over there. So first alphabet will take place at the third alphabet, and third alphabet will take place of first alphabet. Similarly, fifth alphabet at seventh, and seventh at fifth. Remaining will be like this, that second will be over here, fourth will be over here, and sixth will be over here. So if we go with it, what we are going to get, so get here, it is J, okay, it is O, then it is U, here R will be at its own original places, here it will be L, here it will be A, and here it will be N. So the coded word you will get will be, will be OUJRLAN. So that should be your particular answer while solving it. Okay, Hope so you have understand till this point. Okay, till this point each and everyone must have understood that how you have to solve the given particular question. Now next one, in this what they have given, in a certain code mission is written as MSIISNOS, then how online will be written in that particular code. So, guys, this will be the homework question for you so that you can actually solve this and try to get the answer over here. So, here will be the options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just choose the correct one and post your answers. Okay, so that it will help you a lot over there. Okay, there is one more question over there that in which you can see that in a certain code, tiger is written as QDFHS, then how is fish written in that particular code? So here we have given with the word that is called tiger. Okay, so Tiger, tiger. Tiger has been written as QDFHS. Okay, so it is the particular word written over there. So tiger has been written as QDFHS. Then they have asked how is fish written in that particular word. So they have asked us now how the fish will be written. So if we go with the word fish, now we have to think about it. So now we will try to apply the logic over. So here it is give one QDFHS. So if we think a think about this particular question, then you will get a logic over that t has been converted as -1. So t minus 1 it becomes s and that has been written last. I minus 1 h, g minus 1 f, e minus 1 d and r minus 1 q. So what they did -1 alphabet, but the first letter has been written the last and the last letter has been written the first. So same logic we have to apply over here with -1 rule. So f minus 1 it will be e. Yes, absolutely. I minus 1 it will be h. S minus 1 will be your r and h minus 1 will be your g. So the final answer should be over here is g r h e. GRHE. So GRHE, that is your second option. Okay. Hope so you have might have find it out that each and every question will have a different logic. So we cannot guarantee over here ki yes, in previous question this kind of question has come. So that logic was applied. So here again the same logic should be get applied over there. But no, we can't say that the same logic will be there to apply for each and every given element. So in each question, the question is different, the logic is different, the rule will get changed and you have to apply in the same way only. Okay, in next question what they are saying, in a certain code frozen. Okay, in a certain code frozen. So FROZEN, frozen is written as OFA PSG. OFA PSG. Then how molten will be written? Okay, then how molten will be written? Now we have to think over here what should be the particular answer over here. Okay, so let's think about it that what answer should come over here while solving. So if we go and think about it, F plus 1 it will be G, R plus 1 will be your, okay, R plus 1 will be your S, O plus 1 will be your P. Okay, so what they did for first this for 3 alphabet it will be plus 1 logic. Okay, next Z plus 1, that is A, because after Z we next go with A B C. So if it is like that X Y Z, then it will start with A B C and so on. So after Z it will be A, E will be converted to F and N will be converted to O. So same logic we have to again apply over here. M plus 1 it will be your N, O it will be your P, L it will be your M, T it will be your U, E it will be your F and N it will be your O. So the answer should be OFU MPN. OFUMPN. So that will be your option third. Hope so all of you might have understand till this point. Okay. Now next question. In a certain code, roar. Okay. In a certain code, roar is written as URDU. Then they have asked how URDU written. Yes, that is the particular question. So 90% of might over here get confused because what they will do roar with Urdu or Urdu. Same, what they will think if Urdu is given, they will go with the roar. So in a hurry, they will take this as their answer. But remember, this will be the wrong. Why? Because if A is going to be B, then there is no chance that B can become A. So B might become C. So you have to follow the same rule over here. Okay. So R has been converted to U. R. STU. So it has been plus 3 logic. Okay. Similarly, O. PQR again plus 3. A. BCD again plus 3. And R. STU again plus 3. So here what we have got? We have got all as a plus 3. So same logic apply over here. Plus 3. U. VWX. So here comes X. R. STU. So here comes U. D. EFG. So here comes G. And U. Again it will be your X. So the correct answer will be your XUGX. That will be your option second. Okay. So here today we will stop over here. So thank you.